the beginning, I wasn't sure about the project.
I thought this project was really just another thing that's going to happen and nothing is going to come of it.
I was thinking they are going to change everything at the clinic. They are going to teach us how to do our work, and it was just the opposite.
We sat down, we did journey mapping, we gave ideas, we gave inputs.
Be there at the workshop because they must have my ideas and my thoughts. I wanted to be heard.
Created a platform for our thought processes to actually think, oh, I'm not just here to work, I must make improvement in my workplace. The challenges that we meet every day, it must be also me to make it better.
Having these meetings and it having to take place every single week has given us the opportunity to highlight some of the issues.
It was eye-opening for me. It was fun at the same time while we coming up with brilliant ideas to make a change in our facility.
It was really refreshing to be able to have your voice heard and not have it be a top-down decision.
It's important to make decisions for ourselves because we're the one who are attending to clients.
We as a team, the clinic team and the service design team has made lots of changes with the focus on patient-centered approach. That staff came up with ideas, then we pilot it, where we try to experiment with it to see if it works, and if it works, then we introduce it permanently in the system.
By doing something is how we're learning.
We don't always need new things. With the things that you have on hand, you can do a lot. You can bring changes. You can be the change.
When they start building the counselors' room, there everybody get that energy. I see people act differently towards the patient. They're more motivated.
Everybody worked, everybody moved, everybody became enthusiastic. They cleaned, they threw out stuff. They felt like we are doing these changes. They felt like this is our space. They felt like we are really being noticed. We can give our patient everything that we want.
Once we decided to tackle the signage issue, we have clear signs that shows where is which, what is what.
It helped me to improve, to get out patients much quicker than before. Before they sat for hours in the clinic, and now they can actually leave much quicker.
The clients are more informed about how much time they are going to wait in the reception area. They are more informed how much time they are waiting for the doctor to see them.
It was the in-out board, so that's to help the staff and the patients just to become aware of staff shortages on the day.
It's going to bring change to how I work. It's also going to bring change to how my clients are accessing the facility and the services that are rendered.
One thing that I'm really proud of is looking at the fact that we're not working in isolation anymore.
Also broaden us, our mind, how we're supposed to treat each other as a staff besides the patients.
I think it improved the communication also between myself and the staff.
I think we didn't have the chance to meet up and speak about these things in the past.
Staff are more open and it's more freely. The staff members that used to have a backseat are those ones coming forward now and speaking.
I've got confidence that I'm providing a full service to my client and a satisfying service because my clients got privacy, my clients are at peace.
Even if the project ends, it doesn't mean that we have to stop
changing and actually do something new in the clinic.
I do think that this process has opened our minds to a new way of thinking.
You're never too old or too overqualified to learn new ways and means of going through life.
We learned that we can dream big. I've been very, very happy because I know in the future I can face a problem, I can help we can help finding a solution for our problems.
I feel that with this whole project that happened, I rediscovered myself. I discovered that, you know what, who I am outside, I can be inside the clinic as well.
We're walking around all day smiling because if you see something that weren't there a year before, you actually can put your name on that.
Sometimes you need someone to remind you that you can in order to make a change.